Hello, teacher. Welcome to Brazil. I invite to know to Brazil. It's the largest country in South America. Also, it has an enormous form like a triangle, and Brazil border with every South American country. Look, it's a great view. In this picture, you can see the wonderful capital of the country, Brazilian official language, Portuguese, and national language. It's important that you know the division of the country. It has 5 regions, are really interesting where you can arrive to knowing different exotic places. Here are some beautiful places to visit in this country. Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo City, Brasilia, Fortaleza, Iguazu Falls, and Bonito. Brazil has many variety of food. Its food is delicious. The dishes are characteristic of each city in the country. This country has different dishes such as moqueca, feijoada, picaná, brigadeiros, batapa, among others. I invite you to Brazil because this country is fantastic and ideal to come with your family. You come with your family and enjoy together in different amazingly places. Fortaleza City. Thank you for your coming to Brazil tour.